guys, welcome back to my channel Crochet Patrons. I hope you all are doing well, enjoying the life. So guys, here is the amazing collection of shoes which are made with a crochet. I hope you will definitely love these amazing designs of shoes. And as you know, they are really amazing. You can make it by yourself at home. They are really comfortable, and you will definitely love to make these amazing and comfortable shoes for you. And the colors and the patterns which are included in these videos are really amazing, and you will definitely love the full collection. Watch the full videos, you will find amazing designs with so many 3D flowers and patterns and the amazing color combinations. And guys, if you're liking the videos which I share with you on my channel, and the videos which I have posted in my channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I make more videos according to your design, according to your likings, you just get the notification and you can enjoy the collection on time. As you can see, the designs are really amazing and eye-catching and really comfortable according to the fashion which are new and in nowadays. You can match any outfit with these amazing shoes. You can make them customized in color, like according to your dresses. You can just make it by yourself, and they are really comfortable to use. All the designs are really amazing. You cannot select one design from this list. You will definitely love all the designs because they are really amazing and comfortable. I hope guys you're enjoying all the videos which I share with you. If you like them, please let me know in the comments so that I can make more video accordingly, and I can make more videos according to your likings and style. This video is full of amazing combinations and design of shoes. I make videos and gather these information to give you idea about the crochet, and I just make sure that you don't miss out any fashion, any style which are in nowadays, so you can just enjoy all the collection, all the designs which are in on my channel. There are so many amazing collections and designs I have shared on my channel. Just watch all the videos of my channel. You will find amazing and exciting collections and designs of crochet. You can find any idea from my channel. You will definitely love the designs which are included in this video. As you can see, all the designs are really according to the new fashion nowadays. You can just wear these amazing shoes in any kind of occasion, in a party, or you're going out with the friends. These amazing shoes looks really stylish. Please like the video and share the video with the friends so that they can also use these ideas to make their amazing pair of shoes. Guys, I hope you are loving this video because all the designs are really amazing and according to the fashion which people love nowadays. So I hope you will definitely try these shoes and definitely love the collection. If you love them, please share your views on the comments so that I can make more video according to your comments, your likings. Just stick to my channel. I'll be making more videos and you'll be watching all the amazing and exciting designs on my channel. And stick to the channel, wait for upcoming videos. I hope you enjoyed this video also, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.